how to remove Instagram account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your Instagram account from other devices, all you have to do is open the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, tap your profile icon from the bottom right, then tap the three lines option from the top right and go to Account Center, which is the Meta Account Center menu. From here, the very first way you can actually log out everybody from your device is by simply changing your password. So go to Password and Security, tap on the Change Password option. When you change your password, everyone who's logged in will get automatically logged out. Or you can simply go to the option called Where You Are Logged In and review all the devices where your Instagram account is logged in manually. And if you don't recognize a certain device, you can select that device here and tap the logout option here in order to log out of those devices. This way you can remove Instagram account from other devices. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.